so effortlessly, don't you agree? You know what I'm saying? Kicks and kicks. I gotta show you how we step out. You know what I'm saying? So let's get some bashing in downtown and get it popping right quick. I got the extra Senton body, painted it up, did my own thing. Excuse the fingerprints, you know what I'm saying? It's fresh off the press. Painted it up black. You know, I got tired of the original bloody body. These are bloody shoes. The original body was red, but I like the black, you know what I'm saying? So I painted it up, kept the stickers nice and simple, didn't do too much with the sticker action. But stay tuned to see what else I do to this joint, you know what I'm saying? I might make this a street truck. I might make this for the clay tracks, you know, put some carbon fiber in it. I don't know, you know, we're gonna figure it out. In the middle of the street downtown, what you know about it? About this RC life, man. How many of y'all know about it? I know y'all would do the same thing. Stay tuned to where I'm gonna take some of my other RCs too, though. That's what separates your boy Kicks and Kits. I'm on the scene, man. You never know where I'm gonna pull up with an RC. Just today, I figured I'd pull up downtown. Anyway, let's bring it back. Let's go and wrap this up right quick. Anyway, y'all, just taking the ARRMA Senton through its paces. Oh, let me through that motherfucker. Get that. Oh, see if I can pull it out. Oh, let him tell you I can't drive. Anyway, ARRMA Senton, you know, little downtown bash. Figured I'd get in. And if you haven't already, man, subscribe, like, dislike, all that shit, you know what I'm saying? But for those that like kicks, for those that like fresh kits, I'm the place to be, you know what I'm saying? ARRMA Senton, BLX 3S battery, version 3, and the fresh Jordan 1s. The fresh Jordan 1s, black and white. Holla at your boy, man. Me and the boo got shit to do. Until the next one, stay tuned to see what I do to this. Peace.
It's DJ Z Mills.